Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute little kids gift for the holidays, and I have two varieties, one with a mug and one without. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my little gift bag, and I'm just going to open it up, and I'm going to throw in some cute little candies. Gives you a little variety, and all of these I bought at the dollar store. We'll throw these in here. And then what I'm going to do is take my little plush animal, and we're going to put him in the center here. Then I'll take my cute little Santa, and I'm just going to put him right in here. I'll bring the plush guy down a little bit and bring his ear behind Santa so you can see Santa. Then I have these little popper candies and a green apple lollipop. And those were 3 for $1 at the dollar store, actually 3 for 99 cents, the 99-cent store. Then what I'm going to do is just take a little piece of my packaging tape, and I like the packaging tape because it's very clear. And I'm just going to, let's take this, put this right on the front here, bring it together, and just fold it over. So now you have this really super cute gift. And I'm just going to finish it off with a bow. So I'll take my ribbon, and we're just going to bring this around to the front, and I'm just going to tie it off. So we're going to tie a knot here, and we're going to bring this there, bring it through here and twist it so the right side is in the front. So it's almost like a little belt for our plush animal. And I'm going to dovetail the ends. And we'll dovetail this one here. Whoops, we don't want to do a point. So now the two ends are dovetailed, and you could stop there, or you can take your mini Bowdabra, and I'll take some Bowdabra bow wire, fold that in half, lay that down into my Bowdabra. So what I love about these gifts is at the dollar store you can buy such great little gifts. We're just going to fold this in here. And I'm only going to make a very simple bow. So we're just going to do 2 loops. And then I'm going to make the little half loop right here. And the dollar store has such great gifts. They have, in some of our other videos, you can see that they have little little scarves and gloves and hats. So all for like $1 to $1.25. Now pull that out. That here. So you can make a nice gift for under $6. And this series is gifts you can make for under $6. Most of them take under 6 minutes as well. So it's there, and I'm just going to cut this little bit off of this tail here. And then bring this around to the front and puff up these here. And then I'm just going to take this, and we're just going to tie this onto my tails. And I'll tie that pretty tight there. And then I'm just going to make a, just not knot it, but I'm just going to tie a little bow there so that when whoever receives the gift, they can actually save the bow. And let's clip this in a little bit closer. And you have this adorable little gift. So now I'm going to set this aside, and now I'm just going to take my mug, and this one is probably for a little bit older child because you have this adorable little mug, but I could not resist purchasing it. Then I'm going to take my little gift bag, and I'm just going to open it up so I have the bottom here, and I'm going to put my mug into the bag. So let's just slide that down in here. And then what I'm going to do is take my candies, and we'll put the candies in. And they sell these at the craft store or at the dollar stores, the little gift bags. So now I'm going to take my little stuffed animal, and we're going to put him right in here so you can see how cute he looks. And then we'll take our little marshmallow guy, and we're going to put him right behind that. And now I'm just going to grab a piece of my Bowdabra bow wire. And I'm using a yellow bag, but it looks really cute because you've got the yellow in his nose and the yellow on the mug. So now I'm just going to take a piece of my bow wire and clip it. And then I'm going to, oops, let me take a piece here. I clipped it twice. And now I'm just going to take this, and all I'm going to do, you can see I'm kind of fanning it in. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and just bring it around. And we're just going to tie a knot. So we'll tie it in the front, then bring it around to the back. And we'll just tie a little knot here. And then I'm just going to clip it. And I'm going to grab my mini Bowdabra, so you can see how cute he is. And take my mini Bowdabra and some Bowdabra bow wire. And I'm going to fold my wire in half and lay that down into my mini Bowdabra. I'm going to tuck the ends underneath. And, whoops, keep that underneath there. And then I'm just going to take a little piece of ribbon. And that's going to be my tail. And let's go ahead and dovetail the ends here. And dovetail this one. And then what I'm going to do is take my ribbon. And I probably need about that much of my ribbon. I'm not really measuring. And we're just going to twist it back down into the Bowdabra. And twist, fold it back. And then we'll make another loop here, just a little smaller. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring it up, pull it through my slip knot, tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, and we'll double knot it. And I'm just going to shape out my bow. And then I'm going to take it and we'll lay this guy down. And we're just going to tie this right onto our, bring this over here, tie it right here, tie it tight. And again, I'm just going to make a little bow so that you can keep the bow after. And you have this, let's cut this little piece off here without cutting the rest of the bow. So now you have these two finished gifts that each took less than 5 minutes and cost less than $5. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.